Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's session, again here I am with a grade 3 textbook Gunjan and the chapter number is 9. Basically, it's not a story, it's a poem and the name is Shunya. The meaning of Shunya is zero. So in this poem they are telling the value of the zero. So means if we put zero alone then it has no value, but if we put zero after a number, so it increases the value of that number so many times. Kai guna means so many times. Okay, so let's start from बातों बातों में. In general, क्या तुम गणित में शून्य का उपयोग करते हो? गणित means mathematics. शून्य मीन्स ज़ीरो. उपयोग करते हो मीन्स यूज. डू यू यूज ज़ीरो इन मैथमेटिक्स? शून्य का मतलब क्या होता है? व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ शून्य? मतलब, द मीनिंग ऑफ मतलब इज मीनिंग, मीन्स MEANING, मीनिंग. नेक्स्ट लाइन, शून्य एक ऐसा अंक है. शून्य इज अ सच काइंड ऑफ अ नंबर. अंक मीन्स नंबर जो अन्य अंकों के बाद आकर विच कम्स आफ्टर अनदर नंबर्स, उनकी शक्ति को, एक्चुअली द मीनिंग ऑफ शक्ति इज पावर. ओके, बट हेयर द मीनिंग ऑफ शक्ति, द सेंस इज वैल्यू. सो देयर वैल्यूज को कई गुना बढ़ा देता है, इंक्रीजेस so many times. Okay, so zero is a such kind of a number. When it comes after another numbers, then it increases their numbers values multiple times, so many times. Okay, so now let's start the poem. पहले मैं सोचा करता था. पहले means earlier. मैं means I. सोचा करता था. used to think. सोचना means to think. करता था means used to. So earlier I used to think. नहीं शून्य का कुछ भी मतलब. नहीं means no. कुछ भी means anything. मतलब means there is no meaning of zero. So earlier I used to think there is no meaning of zero or the zero has no value. लेकिन but इसमें कितनी ताकत, what is the value or what the value it has, इसको जान गया हूँ मैं अब. नाउ आई हैव कम टू नो. ओके, सो जस्ट लेट मी रिकॉल इट वन मोर टाइम. पहले मैं सोचा करता था. अर्लियर आई यूज टू थिंक. नहीं शून्य का कुछ भी मतलब. ज़ीरो हैज़ नो वैल्यू, ज़ीरो हैज़ नो मीनिंग. लेकिन इसमें कितनी ताकत, बट हाउ मच वैल्यू इट हैज़, इसको जान गया हूँ मैं अब. नाउ आई हैव कम टू नो. अब मीन्स नाउ. जान गया हूँ मैं मीन्स केम टू नो और हैव कम टू नो. ओके, नेक्स्ट स्टेंजा. अगर मीन्स इफ. एक के साथ मीन्स विथ. एक मीन्स वन. सो इफ विथ वन शून्य हो, देयर इज ज़ीरो मीन्स इफ देयर इज अ ज़ीरो विद वन, तो पूरे 10 बन जाएंगे. देन इट विल बिकम कम्प्लीटली 10. 1 0. 10 के साथ लगाओगे. इफ यू पुट इट विद 10, यदि इफ, तो पूरे 100 कहलाएंगे. देन इट विल बी कॉल्ड completely 100. Okay, so पूरे means complete और completely. So let me repeat one more time. अगर एक के साथ शून्य हो, if there is zero with one, तो पूरे 10 बन जाएंगे. then it will become 10. 10 के साथ लगाओगे यदि, if you put it with 10, तो पूरे 100 कहलाएंगे. then it will be called 100. थर्ड स्टेंजा. 100 के संग भी एक शून्य हो. 100 मीन्स 100. संग इज द सिनोनिम ऑफ साथ, मीन्स WITH, विथ. एक शून्य हो मीन्स इफ देयर इज ऑल्सो 1 0 विद 100, तो 1000 यह बन जाते हैं. देन इट बिकम 1000. ओके, 1000 मीन्स 1000. एक शून्य यदि और यहाँ हो मीन्स एक शून्य यदि, इफ 1 0 और. सो द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस और इज मोर मीन्स इफ 1 more zero इज ऑल्सो हेयर, 10,000 फिर कहलाते हैं. देन इट is called 10,000. So what is the meaning of third stanza? 100 के संग भी एक शून्य हो. If there is one zero with 100, then it becomes 1000. If one more zero is here with 1000, then it becomes 10,000. Fourth stanza. कुछ भी नहीं समझते जिनको. So now in the last stanza there is a lesson. What is that? कुछ भी नहीं समझते जिनको means the person or anyone, if you don't understand them anything, साथ बिठा उनको देखोगे. If you make them sit with you or if you take them together, if you take them with you, तो 10 गुनी, 10 means 10, गुनी is times, TIMES. So 10 times शक्ति, power, अपने में, in yourself. निश्चय means definitely, बढ़ी हुई means increased पाओगे, means you will get or you will find. So means they are telling कि like the people you don't understand or you don't give value to someone, if you take them with you, then you will feel or you will get that now your value or your power has increased 10 times. So finally the moral is like we should not underestimate anyone, because everyone is unique, everybody has unique qualities. So we should not give someone inferior complex. Okay, so this is the moral of this poem. This is the moral of this poem. Like if you take 0 as an individually, then it has no value, but if you put it with the numbers, then those numbers are increasing as many as times. Let me repeat one more time without reading the lines. First stanza. Earlier I used to think there is no value of 0, but what is the value of it? Now I have come to know. Second stanza. If you put 10 with 1, it becomes 10. If you put it with 10, then it will become, or it will be called 100. Third stanza. If there is one more 0 with 100, then it becomes 1000. And if you put one more 0 here, then it will become 10,000. The people you don't understand or you don't give value, if you take them along with you, then you will find your strength or your power 10 times. So this poem is written by Ramesh Kaushik. You can see the name is there. And now the word meanings. Shunya. Shunya means 0. Matlab. The meaning of matlab is, in Hindi it is earth, and in English meaning. Taqat. Taqat means shakti, means power, strength. Next, nishchay. Nishchay means zarur, means certainly. Pakka irada means firm decision. Okay. I hope you understood this poem. If you still have any doubt, then you can kindly post your comments in comment sections. So let me say bye. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.